So, congratulations, you have successfully wasted the first 18 years of your life, and now it's gone. There's nothing you can do about it. No amount of regret will bring back that time. You have wasted the most precious, the most important years of your life. Why is it a waste of time, you ask? Because every student is essentially doing the same exact thing, going to school, going to classes, finishing school, going to college. I don't want to speak about this because I've already made 4 detailed videos about this very topic, so go check them out first and then come back to this video. So I'm not here to make you regret about things. All I'm trying to do is pointing out the flaws that exist in this system according to me, and bringing out my opinions as a student and also as someone who has been a part of this system. So I wish I had seen someone like me making these kind of videos earlier, so I would have avoided these mistakes when I was in school. So share this video to as many people as possible so that even they become aware of these things, and subscribe to my channel because I keep coming up with videos like this. Like the video if you are enjoying what I'm making. So what can you do now? Well, luckily it's never too late. So I am here with 4 important things which you should keep in mind so that you don't make the same mistakes and improve the remaining part of your student life. So let's start with number 1, and probably the most important one. Explore. Yes, keep exploring new subject, keep learning about new things, even though you may not like it right now, but who knows, maybe in the future it will help you, maybe in the future you will develop some liking for it. So keep exploring new things. People tend to be confused during this age. Even for me, I wanted to become so many different things and I still want to. So you need to keep exploring, only then you will understand which things suit you and which doesn't. And it's perfectly normal to be confused. As for me, I never knew I would have enjoyed making videos so much, and now I just can't stop making. So subscribe to my channel because I'll keep making videos like these. So let's move on to number 2. This is the most pointed out fault in our system and the most irritating part about it. It's learn skills and not just mug up answers. Yes, I don't even know what to say now. I have already said so much about this in my previous videos. But henceforth, whatever you're doing, whichever thing you are learning, do it as if you are going to do that thing 5-10 years down the line. Do it in a practical way, not just rote learn the answers and put it down on a paper. You need to understand the practical part of the thing. And it's sad, but schools, the system isn't changing anytime soon. So read books, do courses. There are so many free courses available from excellent top foreign universities, and the best part about it is they provide case studies. Case studies are the best thing you can do to learn the practical part of the subject. So do that, and whatever you are learning from your school textbooks, college textbooks, just don't mug up the answers. Try to actually understand the concept, and I'm sure this will help you a lot. Let's move on to number 3. This is so important. I want each of you all to do it. I am not taking no for an answer. No matter whoever says what, you need to do this. And it's keep doing things which you love doing. Keep following your passion. No matter what you are doing, what you are studying, which grade you are in, whether you are preparing for JEE, whether you are doing MBBS, I don't care. You need to keep doing things which you love, because these are the things which make you happy. These are the things which you'll look back upon when you are older. Maybe that time you won't even get time to do all of these things. Do it right now when you are getting time. And trust me, whoever takes my advice and 5-10 years after watching this video, maybe you'll thank me that I'm so glad I watched his videos and it genuinely helped me a lot. Share this video with everyone, guys. Trust me, this type of content needs to be shared, it needs to be talked about, it needs to be thought about. So share it. And you know what, who knows, you might be so good at that thing that you might end up making a career out of it. How cool would that be? making money by doing things which you love doing. Half of your parents might not even love what they are doing. So keep doing things which you love. The fourth one, learn to communicate and start building your own network. Now, this may sound like something which adults might do or people working in a company might do, but no, you should know this right now. You need to learn how to establish your point of view in front of someone else. You need to know how to influence people and make them work according to you. You need to learn how to make people listen to you. No matter where you are working, what you are doing, this skill will always help you. Start building your network. Who knows who might come in help to you? Who knows who might help you when you need them? So do these things, and I am very sure this will help you in the future. So I said that I'll only be giving you 4 points, but I have one bonus for you. The last and the easiest thing you can do is go subscribe to this channel, because I have so many types of videos planned for you guys, so many informative videos. And when I say many, I mean many. Genuinely, I have so many topics planned for making videos, and these kind of videos take a lot of time and effort to make, especially from someone who isn't that familiar with making videos. So if you are appreciating my work, if you are liking what I am doing, go hit the like button and drop your comment about this topic and the video as well. It would mean a lot to me. And as soon as we hit 500 subscribers, I'll be making a different kind of video, whichever video which you want me to make. Maybe something like answering some of the questions, if you have seen that kind of videos, or some prank or something like that, whatever you want me to make. So hit the subscribe button, and I hope you all are safe. Thanks for watching. So I was just about to publish this video, and I realized that this video, or all of my videos for that matter, can be misinterpreted very easily, and I don't want that to happen. I don't want people forming a wrong opinion or judging me. All I am trying to do is making you aware of some issues from a student's point of view. These are my opinions, and I'm not going to be making videos on this topic forever. I have lots of content planned for you guys. I'll be making a special video once we hit 500 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I hope you are having a nice day. Thanks for watching.